Hey everyone, this is Mansoor Tawafi, VP of Sales of Validus. We are here at the very first launch event of the Netherlands. What an amazing setting, what an incredible experience. This is an event unlike one I've ever seen before. They are really setting the bar so high in the Netherlands, and I believe it's going to be one of the biggest markets in the company. Well done to all the organizers, to the entire team here at the Netherlands, including the Blue Diamond, Mr. Osama Hamdi, and I look forward to being here in the next one. Let's take it to the next level. I really hope to see you guys soon again. I had an amazing time here. See you guys somewhere around the world. Take care.
Ja, dus veel verschillende individuen zitten hier, maar toch zijn we samen, toch?
Dankzij digitalisering in combinatie met informatie hier.
Dag allemaal, Osama Hamdi hier. Ik ben vandaag op de officiële Validus Lounge hier in Nederland, Amsterdam. Ik wil jullie allemaal meegeven dat wat hierna nog gaat komen ongelooflijk zal zijn. En jij zal erbij zijn. Ik zie je snel.